The third eye, a gateway to inner wisdom. The third eye chakra, also known as Ajna, resides in the center of the forehead, between your eyebrows. It is often depicted as an indigo blue lotus flower, symbolizing wisdom, intuition, and spiritual insight. This energy center is a powerful gateway to higher consciousness and inner knowing. The third eye chakra is not a physical eye, but rather an energetic one. It allows us to see beyond the physical realm and tap into our intuition. When this chakra is balanced and open, we experience clarity, insight, and a deep connection to our inner guidance. We can access realms of wisdom that are normally hidden from view. This can lead to profound personal growth and spiritual awakening. The third eye chakra empowers us to see the world and ourselves with greater understanding and compassion. Intuition and perception, gifts of the third eye. The third eye chakra governs our intuition, perception, and ability to see the bigger picture in life. When this chakra is open, we experience a heightened sense of intuition. We may have sudden insights, vivid dreams, or a knowingness that guides our decisions. This chakra also enhances our perception, allowing us to see beyond illusions and perceive the truth. We become more aware of our thoughts, emotions, and the subtle energies around us. This heightened awareness enables us to make wiser choices and navigate life with greater clarity. An open third eye chakra allows us to connect with our inner wisdom and access our spiritual guidance. We develop a strong sense of self-trust and an ability to connect with our higher purpose. This connection to our inner compass empowers us to live a more authentic and fulfilling life. Recognizing imbalance. When the third eye is blocked. When the third eye chakra is blocked or imbalanced, we may experience a range of physical, emotional, and spiritual symptoms. We might feel disconnected from our intuition, experiencing confusion, doubt, and a lack of clarity in decision-making. Headaches, particularly around the forehead and temples, can also be a sign of third eye chakra imbalance. Emotionally, we may feel lost, cynical, or overly reliant on logic and external validation. A blocked third eye chakra can manifest as difficulty concentrating, poor memory, and a lack of imagination. We may also experience nightmares, difficulty sleeping, or a sense of disconnection from our spirituality. It is important to address these imbalances through practices that nourish and activate the third eye chakra. By restoring balance to this energy center, we can regain our clarity, intuition, and connection to our inner wisdom. Section 4. Awakening the third eye. Practices for clarity and insight. There are many practices that can help to awaken and balance the third eye chakra, promoting clarity, intuition, and spiritual connection. Meditation is a powerful tool for quieting the mind and accessing the stillness within, where intuition resides. Visualizations, particularly those involving the color indigo, can help to stimulate and activate the third eye chakra. Spending time in nature, gazing at the stars and connecting with the natural world can also enhance third eye chakra energy. Incorporating essential oils such as lavender, frankincense, and sandalwood into your meditation or yoga practice can further support third eye chakra activation. Journaling can be a powerful way to connect with your intuition and process insights. Regularly engaging in activities that stimulate your imagination, such as creative writing, painting, or intuitive drawing, can also help to awaken and balance the third eye chakra. Section 5. Living with an open third eye, benefits and transformation. Living with an open and balanced third eye chakra brings about numerous benefits and transformations in our lives. We experience enhanced intuition, allowing us to make decisions with greater clarity and confidence. Our perception deepens, enabling us to see beyond illusions and connect with the truth of our experiences. We develop a stronger connection to our inner wisdom and spiritual guidance, leading to a more purposeful and fulfilling life. Creativity flows more effortlessly, and we may experience breakthroughs in our artistic endeavors or problem-solving abilities. With an open third eye chakra, we develop greater compassion and empathy for ourselves and others. We are better able to understand different perspectives and navigate challenges with grace and wisdom. This heightened awareness leads to a more harmonious and meaningful existence. Section 6. The third eye's place in the chakra system, connecting to the divine. The third eye chakra is the sixth chakra in the seven chakra system and serves as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. It governs our intuition, wisdom, and connection to the divine. Located in the center of the head, it integrates the energies of the lower chakras, which are associated with our physical and emotional experiences. The third eye chakra allows us to access higher states of consciousness and connect with our spiritual essence. When this chakra is balanced, we experience a sense of unity, oneness, and interconnectedness with all things. We recognize the divine spark within ourselves and others, fostering compassion and understanding. The third eye chakra plays a crucial role in our spiritual evolution, helping us to awaken to our true nature and fulfill our soul's purpose. By nurturing this energy center, we can unlock our spiritual potential and experience the world with greater clarity, wisdom, and compassion. Section 7. Shakti Mudra, a gesture to awaken inner vision. Shakti Mudra, also known as the psychic gesture, is a powerful hand gesture that can help to activate and balance the third eye chakra, enhancing intuition and spiritual awareness. To practice Shakti Mudra, bring your hands together in front of your chest, palms facing each other. Press the pinky fingers and the thumbs together, keeping the other fingers straight and relaxed. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, the location of the third eye chakra. Visualize an indigo blue light radiating from this point, expanding outwards and filling your entire being. Continue to breathe deeply and hold the mudra for 5 to 10 minutes, or longer if you feel comfortable. You may experience a sense of calmness, clarity, or heightened awareness. Practice Shakti Mudra regularly to deepen your connection with your intuition and awaken your inner vision.